Very good morning, students. Now we are going to see the ninth problem in exercise 6.1 two-dimensional analytical geometry. The coordinates of a moving point P are a by 2 of cosecant theta plus sin theta, comma b by 2 of cosecant theta minus sin theta, where theta is a variable parameter. Show that the equation of the locus P is b square x square minus a square y square equal to a square plus b square. That is, they have mentioned as locus. So we need to prove with this b square x square minus a square y square equal to a square b square. So now what they have given, locus means it is a moving point. So moving pointer they have given this one. So let P of h comma k be the moving point. So now what we are going to see, the given is P equal to a by 2 of cosecant theta plus sin theta, comma b by 2 of cosecant theta minus sin theta. So h comma k, h is this one and k is this one. So now what we are going to do, we are going to do as h equal to how much? H equal to a by 2 of cosecant theta plus sin theta. So now what we are going to do, 2 into h is 2h by a, we need to put a, equal to cosecant theta plus sin theta. This is the first equation. Now next one is k equal to what? b by 2 of cosecant theta minus sin theta. 2 into k, 2k by b equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta. This is the second equation. Now what we need to do, we need to do, here plus is there, here plus is there and here minus is there. So while we are adding sin theta and sin theta, it will be get cancelled. So now by adding 1 and 2, what we need to do, 2h by a plus 2k by b equal to how much it will come? While we are adding these two equations, sin plus sin theta and minus sin theta will be cancelled, 2 cosecant theta. So now 2 while we are taking common, we need to take common 2 on both sides. So it would be cancelled. 2 of h by a plus k by b equal to 2 cosecant theta. 2 cancelled. So now what we need to write? We need to write cosecant theta equal to h by a plus k by b. So this is which equation? Third equation. Now next one is what we need to do. We need to do with cosecant theta. We need to change in alternation method. Cosecant theta should be put any one equation as minus and minus sin theta will be changed as plus. So at that point of view, how we are going to do, that is cosecant theta plus sin theta equal to 2h by a. Then cosecant theta minus sin theta equal to 2k by a. So now plus should be changed as minus, minus should be changed as plus, plus should be changed as minus. plus cos theta minus cos theta cancel. Plus sin theta 2 sin theta equal to 2 of h by a minus k by a. 2 cancelled. So sin theta equal to h by a minus k by a. So now this is the fourth equation. Now as per the trigonometric formula, why we are applying here it as the trigonometric formula is cosecant theta into sin theta is cosecant theta into sin theta equal to 1. Why we are applying? Because here in this problem it deals with cosecant theta and sin theta only. So by that we are asking that how the trigonometric formula would be used. Cosecant theta into sin theta. What is the formula for sin theta? As per this, sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta cancel. So 1. So now what we need to do? We need to do as cosecant theta value first. Cosecant theta value is h by a plus k by b. So now cosecant theta equal to h by a plus k by b. Sin theta is what? H by a minus k by a equal to 1. Now as per the formula, as per algebraic formula, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So a is what? It is similar to h by a. B is what? K by b, k by b. So here is a k by b. Here also b we need to do it. B. 2k by a. Here this one is b. This one is b. So we are changing this one. So now what it will come? H square by a square minus k square by b square equal to a square minus b square. H equal to what? X. So x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to a square minus b square. So now next thing is divided by, this is the formula, so equal to 1. A square minus a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. H square by a square minus k square by b square equal to 1. So the same one. Here a square b square, while we are taking LCM, how? While we are dividing this one, x square into b square minus, while we are dividing this one, b square cancel, a square y square equal to 1. So now x square b square minus a square y square equal to a square b square into 1, a square b square. So this is the formula which we have proved. That's all about this problem. And one more thing, here I have made a mistake, that is 2k by b only it should come. Previously I have written as a. So while we are taking common, it should come b here also b. So here as per the formula, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A is this one, so h square by a square. B square is k square by b square equal to the same one, it is been persisted. Here also 1. So a square b square into 1 is a square b square. X square b square minus a square y square. That's all about this problem.